Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tire and wheel matchup with a set of Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black finish and some 35 by 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. So these Moto Metal 962 wheels, they're offered in 4 different finishes. They're offered in a gloss black, which you see here, a satin black, which is the closest to like your typical flat black wheel, and then a PVD and gloss black centered, which is a gloss black lip with a chrome spoke. And then they're also offered in a chrome wheel. They're offered in a 17, 18, 20, 22 inch wheel, and then they're offered anywhere from a 9 inch to a 10, 12, or 14 wide wheel. So no matter what configuration you want, they can make it for you. Also, they're one of the most popular wheels on the market. That's why you see them all the time on our page, because they're just so simple and classy. It's just an 8-spoke design. They're really clean cut lines, and they just look great. These 35 by 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires, they are a 12 ply. They're offered in a 10 and a 12 ply, but for what it costs to upgrade to a 12 ply, you might as well go to a 12 ply. So they are more like a hybrid tire. They're not a super aggressive mud terrain. They handle great on the road. They're not necessarily made for off-road use. Nobody really uses them to go on the trails or really go mudding. The reason why people love Furies is because they're offered in all different sizes. If you want a 30-inch wheel, Fury's got your tire. If you want a 35 by 1550 R24 tire, Fury makes it. So that's why Fury is so popular right now. They ride great, especially for the price. You can't really beat them. They come in at a great price point in the mid-range tire price. With that being said, you're not going to spend as much as a Toyo or a Nitto or a BFG, and you don't sacrifice that much quality. Now, in no means am I saying, no way am I saying that they're just as good as a Toyo or a Nitto, but they're up there. I really enjoy them, especially for the price point. So with that being said, they take about 3.5 ounces to balance on average, which is not terrible, and we'll kind of see how they handle after 40,000 miles, because really Fury's been out for about a year and a half, and we don't know how they're going to last. So far they seem great, but we'll see in another 18 months or so how they actually hold up. So with that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.